I purchased this inverter hoping that I'll be able to adjust the mains voltage from the 230 240 volts to about 110. That would mean that I will be able to run my lathe at a much slower speed. When looking at the instructions, I found that it wasn't exactly what I thought it was. When you go through the instructions, you carefully see that it produces a 3-phase from a 1-phase input. So this only works correctly if you're using a motor that is a 3-phase motor and not a 1-phase motor. So I was hoping that I'll be able to adjust the voltage so I could slow it down. Unfortunately, with this particular unit, it's not the case. Now there are instructions, as you've just seen, and there are also details on the unit itself. As you can see, it says input 1 pH, output 3 pH. Now on the back, you will see the connections that you would normally use. Now of course this will work if you want to use it with a 3-phase motor, and you can obviously adjust or rewire the motor to be a 3-phase, but unfortunately that's not what I wanted to do. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.